Growing your own herbs and spices isn't just a hobby. It's a way to transform your kitchen, your health, and your daily routine. Whether you have sprawling garden beds or just a sunny windowsill, the joy of nurturing fresh flavors at home is within reach for everyone. Let's embark on a journey through 21 essential herbs and spices that you should always make space for, along with clever tips to guarantee their success. Let's start with basil, a staple in kitchens worldwide. Basil's sweet and peppery leaves elevate everything from salads to pasta sauces. The secret to lush, productive basil is to pinch off any flowers as soon as they appear. This simple trick directs the plant's energy back into leaf production, keeping your basil bushy and flavorful all season long. Mint is next, a refreshing herb with countless uses, from teas to desserts. But take heed, mint is notorious for its rampant growth. To keep it from taking over your garden, always plant mint in a pot. This containment method ensures you'll have plenty of fragrant leaves without battling an invasion. Rosemary, with its piney aroma, is a true Mediterranean classic. It thrives in dry, well-drained soil and loves basking in full sunlight. Unlike some herbs, rosemary actually develops stronger, more aromatic oils when slightly stressed. So, water sparingly and let your rosemary soak up those rays for the most intense flavor. Thyme is a low-growing herb that packs a punch in soups, stews, and roasts. Try planting thyme along your garden pathways. Each time you brush past or step on it, the leaves release their signature aroma, turning your stroll into a sensory delight. Plus, thyme's hardy nature makes it a fuss-free addition to any garden. Parsley is often underestimated, but it's a powerhouse of nutrition and flavor. The trick to growing parsley is patience. It can be slow to sprout. Soak the seeds overnight before planting to speed up germination, and you'll be enjoying vibrant, lush leaves sooner than you think. Cilantro, also known as coriander, adds a fresh, citrusy zing to salsas and curries. However, cilantro bolts quickly in hot weather, meaning it goes to seed and stops producing leaves. To keep your supply steady, plant it in the cooler seasons or give it some afternoon shade during summer. Oregano is the backbone of Italian and Mediterranean cuisine. For the boldest flavor, harvest oregano leaves just before the plant flowers. Dry them, and you'll have a stash of aromatic seasoning to last you through the winter. Chives bring a mild onion flavor to dishes and are endlessly regenerative. When you harvest chives, snip them about 2 inches above the soil. The plant will quickly regrow, providing a continuous supply of slender green stalks for your kitchen. Dill isn't just for pickles, it's a fantastic companion plant in your vegetable patch. Grow dill near cabbage or cucumbers. Not only does it repel pests naturally, but it also attracts beneficial pollinators, helping your whole garden thrive. Sage, with its earthy, slightly peppery leaves, is a must for stuffing and roasted meats. To keep sage at its best, prune regularly to avoid woody stems. Young, tender leaves are the most flavorful, so don't be shy about snipping away. Lemon balm is valued for its calming scent and subtle lemony taste. A unique tip: rub the leaves on your skin for a natural mosquito repellent. It's a fragrant bonus for summer evenings outdoors. Bay laurel, the source of bay leaves, is technically a small tree. Grow it in a pot and prune regularly to keep it manageable. Bay leaves add depth to soups and stews, and a single plant can supply your kitchen for years. Tarragon is prized for its delicate, anise-like flavor. If you're after culinary excellence, seek out French tarragon. Divide your tarragon plants every few years to maintain their vigor and ensure a steady supply of fresh leaves. Marjoram, often called oregano's sweeter cousin, thrives in sunny, well-drained spots. Its gentle flavor is perfect for salads, egg dishes, and Mediterranean recipes. Treat marjoram like oregano, but relish its unique, subtle taste. Fenugreek is a hidden gem for gardeners. It grows well on windowsills, and its tender sprouts are edible and nutrient-rich in just 7 days. Sprinkle fenugreek seeds on soil, keep them moist, and enjoy a quick harvest of superfood greens. Ginger, a staple in Asian cooking and home remedies, is surprisingly easy to grow indoors. Start with a piece of store-bought ginger that has visible buds. Plant it in moist soil, keep it warm. and watch as shoots begin to appear. Fresh ginger root is a game changer for both savory and sweet dishes. Turmeric is closely related to ginger and loves warmth and humidity. If you live in a cooler climate, grow turmeric in pots indoors. The vibrant orange roots are packed with health benefits and lend a golden hue to curries, smoothies, and teas. Lemongrass is a tropical wonder, infusing dishes with a bright, lemony aroma. To propagate lemongrass, place fresh stalks in a jar of water until roots appear. Then transplant them into full sun with plenty of water. Lemongrass is as beautiful as it is useful, adding height and texture to your herb garden. Fennel boasts feathery fronds and a sweet, licorice-like flavor. It's a magnet for butterflies and beneficial insects, making it a fantastic addition for pollinator-friendly gardens. However, fennel prefers its own space, as it doesn't always get along with neighboring plants. Cardamom, one of the world's most valuable spices, is a tropical beauty best grown indoors in a large pot. With indirect light and high humidity, you can nurture this exotic plant and harvest its aromatic pods for desserts, teas, and curries. Finally, chili peppers bring heat and excitement to your garden and your plate. Here's a spicy secret. The more stress you give your pepper plants, the hotter the peppers will be. Once the fruits start forming, ease up on watering just a bit. This causes the plant to concentrate its capsaicin, resulting in fiery, flavorful chilies. With these 21 herbs and spices, you can create a kitchen garden bursting with fresh flavors, vibrant aromas, and endless possibilities. Whether you're seasoning a simple soup or crafting a gourmet meal, each plant brings its own unique character and benefits. Remember, gardening is as much about experimenting and observing as it is about following rules. Try new combinations, share cuttings with friends, and savor the journey. Your garden, big or small, can be a source of inspiration and delight every single day. So gather your seeds, roll up your sleeves, and let the magic of homegrown herbs and spices transform your world.